Alright, Foresters, this is to let you know this is not a how-to video. We had our main panel. I had to replace the main panel in our house. We had a bad main breaker. We ended up having issues with the bus of the old the old panel. So we went and got a brand new panel to put in. But remember, this is not a do-it-yourself project for any homeowner. You need to have electrical experience if you're going to tackle a job like this. If you're not an electrician, hire a reputable licensed electrician. This is not a handyman job. You don't hire handymans to do this. Alright guys, we got some emergency fixes we have to do here on the homestead to our house. The main breaker the other day for our panel, and I did not do this panel. No decent electrician would ever do this in a panel. This is disgusting. I've been wanting to straighten it out, but now I actually have a chance. But the main breaker, one side of it was getting hot, so I went out and I got a new breaker for it from work. The good thing about being an electrician, working for a good company, South Lake Electric, they got me a breaker for price. But when I removed the old breaker and put this new breaker in, the foot where it goes to the bus bar, the threads came out of the bolt. It's right behind this breaker here, underneath. But, so I'm going to replace the whole panel. I actually have it working. I used a metal screw that I cut the end off of so that it would hold it down. But that is just a temporary fix. It's nothing I would leave in somebody's house and nothing I'm going to leave in my house. So I'm going to replace the whole panel. I'm going to use a larger panel, so I'm going to have to, it's going to come all the way up to here.
Holy crap.
So, but I'll be replacing this entire panel here. I'll use most of the same breakers because it is a Siemens panel, and I'll be able to straighten all this mess out and actually make it look decent, like a decent electrician did the wiring. Alright, so we'll get back to you when I'm a little farther along on the process. Alright guys, here is the old panel, and this is the new panel. This is a much larger panel. I think this is going to work out better for us. We'll be able, because I want to add some circuits. There's not enough circuits in the kitchen that I want. It's going to allow for me to put some outside lights up and some more outside outlets around the house. We come in here.
Make sure the cat's not out there.
You can see I pulled out
Holy crap.
all the circuits. We marked the major ones, like the washer or the dryer, the kitchen GFI, because we don't have the GFI at the kitchen itself. We have a GFI breaker for the kitchen outlets. So I'm just going to install the new one in here and hope I have enough wire to go into those. Hopefully I have enough wires to go into the new panel. If not, I'm going to have to cut this down and lower the panel, which I don't want to do, but I may have to. Okay, what I got to do here is my panel is too tall and I do not have enough wire to go up to the top and go through them. I can put the panel in upside down, but I don't like to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this pipe. I got to be real careful not to cut any of the wire inside, but I'm going to slowly cut around the pipe pull this off, cut it shorter, and in order to bring the pipe down. All right, I got the pipe cut. I'm going to cut it down short here so that we are able to drop this down, and that'll set the panel down a little lower and everything will still reach. All right, I've got the new panel in place, and I've got the feed coming in to our main breaker. And now I've got to feed in the rest of our circuits. I'll show you when I get her done. All right, we've got the panel wired in here and 1/2 of the circuits done. We've got the AC, the hot water here, in the kitchen circuits all up and running, and I'm now about to run the other circuits up the other side. We just got done testing. Everything's hot, so we're good on this side so far, and I'll let you know when we get the other side done. All right, we're all wired up. You can see here I got wire management. The wires are nice and neat, straight, lined up. Nothing compared to what it looked like before.
Yeah, a lot nicer.
If you rewind it and take a look at what the panel looked like before, and look at all the room we have for expansion. So I'll be able to run outside outlets. I'll be able to run power out to the shed, outside lights. We're all set. All right, now we'll put the panel on, and we got to put the panel on and then mark all the breakers. Panel's all done. I pieced the wall back together. Not worried about this being too pretty because eventually we're going to remodel this whole laundry room here. We got the new panel in. Everything is marked. So we're all set up. We got, the breakers in, the main breaker. The panel's put on, marked off, so we know what everything is. And we're all set. So remember, this is not a how-to video.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.